Hello and welcome to today's customer states video. Customer states, car feels weird driving. Customer states, light won't turn on when opening the door. Customer states, car dies when going over bumps. Customer states, wheel fell off on the highway, had to drive like this. Customer states, steering wheel is shaking. Customer states, weird noise from the engine bay.
Okay.
Customer states, something is wrong with my tire. Customer states, you can clean my car, right?
Finally got one. Finally got one. God damn.
Customer states, weird noise when going over bumps. Customer states, I tried fixing the tire myself.
Alright, lift it up. What the fuck?
That's a nail, dude.
Get the screw.
Guest states it feels like their clutch is slipping.
Customer states, car feels weird when going over bumps. Customer states, car won't start. Customer states, something is wrong with my car. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.